We've talked about TikTok. We're finally on TikTok. We made a video about TikTok LEDs that are supposed to make you famous. See here, not only is this one of our most viewed videos, but it is also one of our most purchased items through the Amazon affiliate program. So we thought, how are we doing our viewers' diligence in testing out items if we don't go to the next best supplier? That's right, Walmart. We went, checked it out, and found the next best thing. The LED lights that may not be as good as the Day Better LEDs, but today we'll find out you can too by staying tuned into this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop it a like and also go down and click that subscribe button as we journey our way to 1,000 subscribers. We'll see you there. Jack, roll the intro. Now, as I said before, the Day Better LEDs are quite the steal on Amazon. At $30, link in the description, you get a full 10 meters of lighting fun to make your TikToks wild child. But these, the Merkury innovations, are only 2 meters of lights for $20. For another 10, you get another 8 meters. But we still have to see how good these lights are, because who knows? They may have some hidden features. Reading the box though, these are a smart Wi-Fi LED strip that have 100 LEDs, 60 colors, 60 warm white, 60 cool white, and 3 times more lighting control. You can trim and extend, and they include a power adapter. Backside, security, lighting, power. Oh, it's talking about the app. These aren't security lights, if that's what you're wondering. Simple setup, download the app, plug in, connect, support mygeenie.com, control and customize your LED lighting by app or voice. You can use Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. Anyways, something that those things can assist us in is cutting open the tape. So here we go. We unsheath the knife, lay it down gently, and we perform surgery. Here we go. Wiggling. Oh, we made it around. Now, I have to... This is always the tough part. You have to... Oh, I messed up. Change angles. And last but not least, a little bit on the end here. Bada bing, bada boom. Like Matt Flynn, we are in. Pop her open. This is the side... Oh, Jack. Rookie mistake. Yep. Swallow up my pride. Take it and open it. Jeez, had to pull a Paul Bunyan trying to get into that one. And here we are. Wow, this is quite a large spool for not a lot of lights. And look at, they have it. Oh, is that supposed to be connected? I can't tell. When we were setting up the Day Better lights, I had some trouble with the connector and flipping it the wrong way, but I thought these were connected, but I guess not. Directions. We can help. Do not return this product to the store. So these are actually all app-based. There's no remote. Usually you get the chintzy remote that comes in these kits, but this is 100% app-based. And maybe this is why it's more expensive. Here is the wireless receiver, I'd assume, and power adapter. Take these, unravel, plug it into our handy dandy power strip below. Plug into the back. Looks like to be a 9 volt. Not exactly sure, but here we go. And then into the actual, oh, it's just like a quick disconnect. I wonder if I can do it the opposite way. Nope, doesn't work that way. Just like the other one. Plug it back in without bending any of these. We got some white lights. I feel like I actually have to download the app though to see how capable these are. So right now I'm downloading the Geenie app, Smart Home and Smart Health. And surprisingly enough, for something that came out of a box from Walmart, this app has 5-star reviews on it. There's a small sliver of a star, so I think it's like a 4.8, but we'll open it up here. Now that we've got the app installed and registered, it did take a little bit. I did have to send myself another verification code, so all in all, Jack and I were staring at each other for about 3 minutes. Here we go, add home. Not that I have a home, enter your home name. Home, perfect, done. Done. And now add device. Smart Lighting? Power on the device and confirm that the light is blinking quickly. Yes, it is. Wait, set up smart device for Wi-Fi. Confirm. This is an extremely painful process so far, but I feel that in a actual home situation rather than a campus might be a little bit easier. I could be wrong. Click on brightness bait. Oh! Whoa! It's getting lit in an actual lit way. Okay, that's pretty fast, the responsiveness. I'm probably about a 1 second delay. Well, maybe more. Now that I said something, it's gonna... Ooh. Oh, it's a party. We need the brightness up, don't we? Bright. Oh. There's different brightness for color. Saturation. I always worry about how saturated my lighting is. There's a scene. Rave.
That's pretty
wow. Good. Nature. Blinking. Cocktail. Reading. Leisure. Soft. And you can schedule it. So the whole Geenie app is actually a base for a whole smart home ecosystem. These lights are just part of it from my understanding. Overall, once you get it connected to the app, the functionality is pretty good. But getting there took a lot longer than I would like it to for just a set of LED lights. So overall, good quality, good product. Is it worth that cost? I mean, if you're only looking for 2 meters and you have to get it quick, maybe. But personally, if you're looking at this for the sake of videos and making awesome TikToks, I'd head to Amazon, check out those Day Better LED lights where you get 10 meters for 30 bucks instead of 2 meters for 20. Because the remote is probably good enough for those times when you're making the videos. If you're sophisticated, these might be the lights for you. For whatever reason, doesn't work, your phone dies, just like mine. You can always switch colors through here. Oh, switch modes, just keep clicking. I don't know exactly how it works, but I think if you hold, it eventually turns it off. No, it doesn't. And on that note, that's all I have for today's video, folks. Go down, click the subscribe button, drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to check out some of our other future content or the video about the Day Better LEDs that I like better than these. Anyways, as always, we'll see you on the flip side. Bird out.